I'm Nathan Porter. I am co-founder of Apellix Incorporated. Apellix Incorporated is an exterior cleaning company specializing in drone cleaning services. Using an Apellix drone has changed our business tremendously. Our business model is based off of using a drone, so our partnership with Apellix is paramount. They have great reliability. We've heard a lot in the marketplace how reliable they are. More than that, though, I think our relationship with the owners at Apellix and their staff have just been great. My favorite feature about the Apellix drones is the capability for us to set the distance from the building that we're working on. That allows us to safely operate the drone knowing that it won't get any closer than the parameters we had already set. We utilize the functionalities of the camera, and the overall display has been tremendous. It gives you a great view of what the drone is looking at, with the capabilities of recording and taking pictures of the building that you're working on. The customer support we've received from Apellix has been great. These guys pick up on the first or second phone call. I'm always responsive. Anything that's ever needed to be modified has always quickly been remedied. Yeah, we're very satisfied. I think we've been able to execute every job we've had in front of us so far without any hiccup. Yeah, we're very satisfied.